Hello friends, welcome back. Today I'm going to let you know how exactly the CVAT, Computer Vision Annotation Tool, has to be used. This is going to help you in getting the annotations done with much easier approach, and this is one of the finest tools. CVAT, as I expanded already, is Computer Vision Annotation Tool and is free, open source, web-based image and video annotation tool. It can be used for labeling data for computer vision applications. It was originally developed by Intel. CVAT supports primary tasks of supervised machine learning, object detection, image classification, and image segmentation. So majority of the things are covered here, and CVAT allows users to annotate data for each of these cases. Remember, it's a fantastic tool and it is a web-based tool. CVAT has got multiple powerful features which includes interpolation of shapes between the keyframes, semi-automatic annotation using deep learning models, shortcuts for the most critical actions, and a dashboard with a list of annotation projects and tasks. All these come with you for free. And I'm going to teach you how exactly you can use this, and this is going to be a quick tutorial on you using the CVAT. As I told you, this is a web-based tool, and the first step for you is to open the CVAT website as I have presented right in front of you. CVAT.a is the site, and you need to sign in into your account or sign up if you do not have an account. I already have an account created, and for the want of time I am signing in right away. Now you can see that there are project options available there. You need to click create a new one. You are creating a new project on CVAT and you need to provide all the necessary details like what I'm providing right now. You can see that I'm specifying the labels that will be used for annotations such as object categories or classes. You can see that the color of the labeling can also be selected, and this is a very easy to use tool. So once you open it, you will find it very comfortable for you to using it. You can continue there by clicking the continue button. And now if you see that, we are going to the next step by submit and open. So once it is done, you can see that we are getting into the next level by getting into the tasks. The task is the one that we need to get into, where we have to create a new task and provide the required details, including uploading the images that needs to be annotated. So this is where you are going to upload the images which are to be annotated with the labels that I have given in the previous step. So you can specify very clearly everything. Now I'm going to upload few images, say 5 images I'm going to upload, and they are going to be annotated with ease. So see that I'm selecting these images. I've selected 5 images as I told you, and I am uploading it here, and once done it will be very easy for us to go ahead and annotate it. Now submit and open is being clicked. It takes a little bit of time for you to get it uploaded, so sit back and relax until it gets completed. So once it is uploaded, your process for annotation can be started. You can then navigate to the jobs tab which is available right in the top, and you can start annotating. You can do that and you can select the objects of your interest, start annotating it much easily, and I'm going to show you all these live right now. All these are very easy to do, and you do not require any tutorial after you listen to this and after you try it once. I'm very sure about it. Now once it is done, you can see that the upload process is all complete. You can see segment size is 5. Job ID is there. Just click the job ID, or you can go to jobs and find it as well. So it's up to you. Now it will get loaded, and there is where your process starts. It's going to be much easier for you, and it's a very friendly process. I'm going to show you that right now, right in front of you. We need to wait a little bit because the images get loaded, and from where we can start our annotation process much easily. So all these are real time. Again, it takes a very limited amount of time for you to get the complete things annotated. In this picture, I'm going to select some particles which are called as plastics. So I am selecting. Now you can see that I can go deeper into it, and I'm going to select and annotate few things right here. The label is already given, so plastic is the one that I'm going to go with. You can see that I am clearly selecting that area. There is another plastic material which I'm seeing right there, and it is done. So 3 or 4 white objects which are visible and other colored objects which are visible different from the natural greeny material there. I've selected them for instance, and you can see that it's getting done. So we can go to the next image easily by clicking the next button. So here I'm going to select a couple of things. So you can see that there is a plastic material that is available there. It's selected. I'm going to the next one. Likewise, I need to go ahead and complete all of them. So I have 5 images uploaded. So I'm selecting the plastic content out of there, and annotation is done in a very easier way. So this is the easiest approach that one can follow to get things annotated very easily. Once you have completed annotating images, you can export your data set by choosing the option to export an XML file with annotations. That's the best part again. So you can see that here I've seen the bitmap as well. So I can select that checkbox and I can see that as well. And if you wish to include the annotated images as well, you can click save images and you can also get all these downloaded. You can see that here you can do whatever you want. You can export job dataset and you can save the images and you get it downloaded as well so easily as a zip file. I'm going to show that right now, and this is how the annotation happens here. You can see that the download would have started by now and you can see it's done. So when you open it, you will get the complete content available here downloaded for you as XML. So try it out, and in case you have any difficulties, let us know. We'll be very happy to help you out. And I'm going to give all the steps and guidelines in the description section. You can follow it with ease. Thank you very much. And if you have questions, please put it up in the chat section and I'll be really glad to answer. Thank you.